What's up guys, the LG G5 is definitely going to be one of the most unique Android phones available for 2016. Here are the top 5 features that make the G5 such a desirable phone. So without further ado, let's get started. Kicking things off and first on my list is modularity. Now imagine being able to pick and choose what parts will go inside your smartphone. Now this is truly the beginning stages of having a full modular phone, and the G5 is giving us a small taste of that. Now it starts with a push of a button, which will then release the bottom base of the phone. Now you'll have access to a removable battery, which is a bonus, but the magic isn't being able to swap out the battery. It's actually being able to swap out the bottom base with other attachments that LG is calling friends, and this will further enhance the phone's experience. Now LG should have 2 attachments available during launch, and these attachments are a camera grip with upgraded controls that will include an extended 1200 mAh battery pack. They'll also have a 24-bit DAC audio player that was co-designed and tuned by Bang & Olufsen. Now this is seriously one of the most innovative features I've seen in a smartphone in a long time. Now moving on to number 2 on my list is the rear-facing cameras. The G4 already had an impressive camera and it was a pleasure to shoot with. The G5 takes it even a step further by adding another camera sensor, and it lets you shoot some ultra wide shots. These wide angle shots are amazing and it gives you a field of vision of 135 degrees. Another cool thing is the filters they've added. There are 9 in total, all inspired by film-based looks, and they can be applied in real time to stills and video. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, as I'll be randomly posting pictures and videos if you guys want to see more on that. Now moving along to number 3 on my list is the display. Now this was a bold move by LG because you don't see manufacturers go down in size, and that's what LG did with the G5. They've reduced the display size from 5.5 inches to 5.3, but they kept the same Quad HD resolution, which means you're going to get an amazing picture quality. But it doesn't stop there. The G5 is also pumping out a whopping 900 nits in brightness, which is almost twice as bright as the G4. Outside viewing is outstanding, even in broad daylight, but having a smaller screen also means it's much easier to hold for one-handed use, so I'll take it. Number 4 on my list also has to do with the display, and that's LG's Always On feature. Now this will give you access to things like notifications and the time without having to power on the display, a technology which LG says will save your battery in the long run. Their reasoning? Well, according to LG, consumers are turning on their smartphones up to 150 times a day, mostly to check the time and their notifications. And last, but certainly not least, is having a micro SD card slot. But hold on, this isn't just your typical micro SD card support. You can expand your memory with up to 2 terabytes of external storage. This just made the next bit Robin look like a joke.
Pretty bird. Yeah, can you say pretty bird? Pretty bird. Yes, pretty bird.
Now with the micro SD card slot, you'll be able to use the card to store videos and pictures you shoot on the G5, or just load it up with your own music and videos and whatever else you want. It's the most inexpensive way to add more storage to any device, and there's a reason why Samsung brought it back in the Galaxy S7. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what your favorite feature is and why. I want to thank my buddy Andrew for letting me use his phone, and also make sure and check him out. I'm going to leave a link to his channel down below. Follow me on Snapchat if you guys want to see behind the scenes, and stay tuned for more coverage on the LG G5. Thanks again for watching, and you will catch me in the next one. Adios.